Good morning, student. Now we are taking the next question, the question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integers whose sum of the square is 365. मीन्स ऐसे दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हमको फाइंड आउट करना है जिसके स्क्वायर का एडिशन, सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स, जिसके स्क्वायर का एडिशन कितना है 365, whose sum of the squares is 365. So yesterday in first video, in the previous video, we already discussed how can we consider the positive integers, consecutive positive integers by using the variable. Okay, so here we consider, here the solution is, let two consecutive positive integers are being x and x plus 1. यही लेते हैं हम लोग, कौन से लेते हैं x and x plus 1, because consecutive positive integers है, एक के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा, in this way. So if first is a 2, then the second is a third. Okay, say 2 3 4 5 7 8 13 14 16 17, like this. These are the two consecutive positive integers. Now by the given condition, क्या कंडीशन दिया है यहाँ पे, सम ऑफ whose स्क्वायर, अब दो नंबर अपने पास है उसके स्क्वायर्स करेंगे. Now the square of first, this is the square of first and this is the square of second, x plus 1 and its square. अब स्क्वायर तो हमने कर लिए और उसका क्या करना है हमको, सम मींस व्हाट, एडिशन. सो x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर एंड सम ऑफ देयर स्क्वायर इज 365. Now here x square is as it is. This is nothing but the a plus b whole square. Okay, don't do x square plus 1 square. This is wrong. x square plus 1 square हम नहीं करेंगे. क्यों? Because this is the format of a plus b whole square. क्या format है? a plus b whole square. You know that the formula for a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means what? X square. So we will write as x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1. That is of equals to 2x plus b square. B square means what? 1 square, and 1 square is nothing but the 1 is equals to, or we can shift this on the left side, so it become minus 365 is equals to 0. Got it? Now x square plus x square, it is equal to x square plus of, this is of your 2x. Got it? 365 minus 1, तो greater number negative है, so answer आएगा negative. 365 minus 1, that is of equals to 364 is equals to 0. 364 is equals to 0. Now this 2x square is divisible by 2, 2x is also divisible by 2, and this 364 is also divisible by 2. So we divide both sides by 2. Therefore divide both sides by 2. किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Then this is of your x square. Got it? Now this 2x is divided by 2 means only x, and the minus 364 is divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 1 is left. 16 हो गया. 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4 is equals to 0. So this is of your quadratic equation. And we solve this quadratic equation by splitting middle term. So we find the factors of a 182 whose sum is what? 1. तो हमको चाहिए sum is equals to 1 and product is equals to minus 182. Now we find the factors of 182. So the factors are 14 and 13. So these are the two factors, 14 and 13. Got it? Now we want here plus 1. So naturally the greater number is positive and the smaller one is a negative. क्योंकि multiplication minus चाहिए, तो एक पॉजिटिव लगेगा और दूसरा नेगेटिव लगेगा. ओके, therefore we write this equation as x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equals to 0. Now factorize here. What we will get? Common. X is a common. Then what is that? X plus 14. Here minus 13 is a common. So by taking minus 13 as a common, what we will get? X plus 14 is equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. These are the two factors. Therefore, either x plus 14 is equals to 0 or x minus 13 is equals to 0. Got it? Therefore, x is equals to minus 14 and the second value is or x is equals to plus 30. Now, in question it is clearly given that the integer is positive. Therefore, this value we neglect. Therefore, x is equals to 13. This value we consider. Therefore, x plus 1. The second integer is what? X plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is equals to 13 plus 1, that is of equals to 14. Therefore, required numbers are 13 and 40. Understood? 13 and 40. Okay. Now the next question, question number 5. The altitude of a right angle triangle. So first we consider the right angle triangle. So this is of your right angle triangle. Okay, we draw here one right angle triangle. This is of your right angle triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. The name of this triangle is A, B and C, where angle B is equals to 90 degree. So naturally AC is considered as a hypotenuse. So this is of your hypotenuse. So this hypotenuse is given, that is of 13. ये hypotenuse दिया हुआ है. Now BC is the base and AB is the height. Height is considered as a altitude. Height को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Altitude. Altitude means height और height का मतलब ही altitude. Therefore BC is the base and AB is the altitude. What is given? The altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. Means altitude is equals to 7 centimeter less. यानी कम है. किससे कम है? Base से. Got it? Means altitude is equals to base minus 7. So altitude is depend upon the base. So as altitude is depend upon the base, we consider the variable for the base only. Therefore, let base of right angle triangle be x centimeter. Got it? Centimeter or unit, whatever. Means the base of a right angle triangle be x centimeter. Therefore, altitude is equals to what we will get? Base से कितना कम है? 7. So this is of equals to x minus 7 centimeter. Got it? We know the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, so by Pythagoras theorem, क्या लिखेंगे Pythagoras theorem से? Hypotenuse square, that is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so we put here the values. AB is nothing but the x minus 7. So x minus 7 and its square plus x square is equals to AC square means 13 square. Got it? Now this is again a minus b whole square. We can use the formula, we can use the identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square is equals to the square of 13, 169. We shift this. Now x square plus x square it become 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equals to 0. Got it? Now this is of your 2x square minus 14x and this subtraction is minus of 9 minus 9 will be get 0, 6 minus 4 2 and here 1 is equals to 0. Now this 2x square is divisible by 2, 14x is also divisible by 2 and 120 is also divisible by 2 again. Okay, now so we divide both sides by 2. किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Then what we will get here? X square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now you will solve this quadratic equation and find the two values of x. So from that two values we consider only the positive value, because as the multiplication is negative, so one value is positive and another value is what? Negative. So we are not considering the negative value because the side of the triangle never be negative. So we consider the side of the triangle is always positive. Therefore we consider the positive value and we put that value of x in x minus 7. So we get base and altitude of a right angle triangle. Now next question, find the two numbers. आपको two numbers find out करना है whose sum is 27 and the product is what? 82, 182. Therefore here two numbers we want here. So what is given that? The sum is 27. So if I consider two numbers, therefore a plus b, these are the two numbers. The sum is what? 27. Got it? Now if we consider a is equals to 27 minus b हो गया, so we consider the variable for b. Okay? Therefore let one number be x. एक नंबर को क्या कंसीडर किया हमने? x. Therefore other number is equals to what we will get? 27 minus x. So other number is 27 minus x. We got two numbers. Now by the given condition, क्या कंडीशन दिया है यहाँ पे? क्या कंडीशन दिया है? Product means what? Multiplication. So the multiplication of these two numbers, that is x into 27 minus x, and the product is given 182. So we write as a 182. Understood? Therefore we multiply this bracket by x. Therefore here 27x minus x square, got it, is equals to 182. अब 1 ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम लोग, सबको एक ही जगह पे ट्रांसफर करेंगे. Then what we will get? x square को ट्रांसफर किया तो what we will get? x square 27x minus x square is equals to 182. We transfer all the term of the right side. So what we will get? X square, got it? Here minus 27x, यानी 27 को ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो प्लस हो गया, प्लस ऑफ 182 is equals to 0. Got it? Now we find the factors of 182. तो हमको क्या चाहिए? Sum is equals to minus 27 and product is equals to 182. So we find the factors of 182. The first factor is 14 and the second is a 13. Got it? Therefore the factors of this quadratic equation is x minus 14 and the second is x minus 13 is equals to 0. अब यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्ट किया है, आप डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है, आपको मेथड वाइज जाना है. मुझे पता था इसलिए मैंने वो यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कर दिया, आपको मेथड वाइज जाना है. ओके, सो x is equals to plus 14 or x is equals to plus 13. So these are the two values. Got it? Now if I consider for x is equals to 14, we get 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 14, that is of equals to 30. ये मिल गया. Now if I consider the second value, if x is equals to 13, then 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 13 is equals to what we will get? 14. Means x is equals to 14 consider करेंगे तो भी दो वैल्यू कितने मिलेगा? 14 and 13. और x is equals to 13 कंसीडर किए तो भी दोनों वैल्यू कैसे मिलेंगी? 13 and 14. Therefore required numbers are which are 13 and 14 respectively. Got it?